Welcome back to day 7 of the unboxing.
All right, so the next sample is Shaw. Honestly, this packaging is extremely nice. It's textured, well-branded. As we all know, Shaw is one of the largest manufacturers out there. And when I was actually getting this sample, I remember they made me create an account, which, you know, is smart of them to get the marketing, I'm sure. It helped with some email marketing. So here are the samples. These took 10 days to get to me. Very good size samples. I got one carpet sample. It looks like one hard surface sample. It's actually a wood sample, which is nice. Together, this cost me around $11. So on the back, you can see it has the style, it has the color. On the carpet side, it has the fiber content, 100% nylon, and then has the color and the style along with a barcode on the hard surface one. Now let's see what else this came with. All right, so a little pamphlet to talk about the experience here. Okay, this is nice. Oh, okay, and all the benefits of it. So it's splash proof, serene, spill proof, and subtle. I mean, honestly, I really like this size sample. It's really well done. It looks really, really nice. It's nice, and the texture of it's really, really nice. Yeah, I mean, overall, really well branded, easy to see next steps here. I mean, I can really easily go to shawfloors.com. I can type in the style and the color. And they've already sent me a few emails, which makes sense because when I signed up, I gave them my email address. But overall, this was honestly a really good experience from the packaging to the actual products. You know, really well done.
Be sure to come back tomorrow as we have many, many more boxes to open. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we drop brand new content.